Hey y'all, starting with this first question on your study guide about trig. I want you to simplify this expression completely. So I'm going to do this one by factoring out the 40. Sometimes you would write the 40 like this with the tree. You could say 2, and then 20, and then go like this, and 2, and 10. And you could keep going if you wanted. Maybe we do one more 2 and one more 5, right? So, and then I go 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. And then what I do is I pull out pairs of them. When I take these out, they become a 2 on the outside. And then I'm left with root 2 times 5. And at that point, there are no more pairs that I can pull out. So I just write 2, and then I multiply the 2 by the 5 to get a 10. So you should have 2 root 10. All right, so the next one, I'm going to do it without writing the tree and just write this. I know that 50 is 25 times 2. And then I could rewrite that 25 as 5 times 5 times 2, like that. And then when I simplify this root, pull the 2 5s out, they become a 5. They get square rooted on the way out to become a 5. And then I'm left with the 2 on the inside. Next one, we have to rationalize this. In order to rationalize a fraction, we multiply it by the root in the bottom that is in the bottom on both the top and the bottom. So I multiply by root 3 over 3. Why can I do that? Because it's a form of 1. And then from there, I get in the top 2 root 3. And then in the bottom, take a look. I've got root 3 times root 3. Well, that's the same as root 3 squared. And then when I square this square root, they cancel each other out. So what do we get? 2 root 3 over 3. Remember, the simplification for these roots is always to make sure that they're in the top. So this is fully simplified. Next one, same idea. I'm going to multiply by root 10 over root 10. And then that gives me 5 root 10. In the bottom, the same thing that happened with the roots on the 3's happens. So I get over 10. Now, this one's not quite as done because the 5, this 5 here, and this 10 here will simplify a little bit. I can divide 5 into 10 and be left with a 2 in the bottom. So I get root 10 over 2. And that is the simplified version of that one.